There we go. Alright, here we go. The true set begins. Now, in a lot of ways, me, Brawler, is just better Mario. So, this is kind of like... In a way, this feels like a mirror match, because they kind of go for a lot of the same things. Like, they both have, like, the projectiles. They both have the upbees that kill off the top. Good mobility. They do a lot of back air, up tilts. Oh, shit. Caleb dropping the combo, though. And find the rapid jab. Wizzy at almost 100% has to retreat to the ledge against the bowling balls. Honk is looking for these combo starters. Well, both of them just do up, I guess. Okay, F smash to punish the whiffed grab. And Honk takes the first stock. Whiffs an F smash, though. Yeah. Wizzy's down quite a bit right now. Fortunately, Honk's gonna drop that combo. Okay. Oh, that definitely was supposed to be a back air. Again, catching Wizzy with the rapid jabs. Honk just holding down center stage right now. Oh, I like that fan of footstool. Okay, jab can up from Wizzy. Gonna run up smash. Not gonna kill, though. Whiffing the up B too. Wizzy's really looking for the stock. Throwing out down airs. Everything he can. Finds the sour spot in air, though. Back air. Still not enough, though. Whiffing another one right there. An up smash should do it here. Oh! Honk running up, charging the up smash. That's going to be the second stock. He's at 150 right now, and Wizzy just cannot find a stock right now. Getting the command grab, 53% on Honk, on Wizzy right now. So to 167. Yeah, he's looking for these back throws. That should be it. Yep. You don't live forever. And he's charging up the flood now. This is not impossible for Wizzy here. But so this lead from Honk is very commanding. Brawler is kind of an awkward character to combo just because of his physics. So, whether or not Wizzy is able to find a kill confirm, I don't know. It feels more up to luck than anything. If you ask me. Yeah, like he just falls straight down after the down throw. Getting hit by the bowling ball. 130 on Wizzy, just about. He gets the down throw. Oh, that was a great down B from Honk. Just gonna get grabbed right there. You're using bowling ball the wrong way. Yeah, Honk just needs one more just up smash, back air at the ledge, anything, and Wizzy should be dead. You're looking for these forwarders. Anything, really. Just he needs... Wizzy needs something if he wants to stay in this game. Up smash whiffing, too. Oh my god, another one. That's going to be just an instant down throw from Honk. Doesn't catch the landing, though. And then finally, lands the back air, and that's going to be game one. Alright, looks like we're going Battlefield. Great stage for both characters. I agree with this pick. Oh, and we get the Mario theme. Cool. Hopefully this is a power-up for Wizzy. Okay, looking the downer, wow. Good up B, though, just to cover that nair. Okay, converts, gets the down throw. Good F tilt right there, knowing that Brawler just can't really combo off of, like, down throw, just because of his fall speed. Oh, almost gets the forward air right there. Honk firing back, though, with ladder combos of his own. Gonna air dodge before the thropper can get to him, though. That definitely would have been a Mario if it hit. Okay, throwing the shot puts right here. Almost. Okay, finds the forward air. Not going to convert off of it, though. Caleb. Honk is too high in percent. Up smash, though. Just throwing it out. That's gonna kill Kai Wizzy. Kai Wizzy hits an up smash of his own, though. Not enough to kill, though. Little rage, and that should have been it. That could have been it. Finds another one, though. That's going to take him off the top. Getting the star KO, too. With time to just charge up the flood. Get right back to business. He gets the down throw. Forward air, 60% on Kai Wizzy. Gonna keep racking it up with the rapid jab. Okay, recovering low to avoid the bowling balls. Okay, down throw. F tilt. Yeah, Honk's just going high, just not trying to have any part of that forward air. Oh, wow. Breaking Kai Wizzy's combo with an up tilt of his own. Oh, just flooding. I guess that worked. F throw. Okay. Doesn't have to use flip kick right there. Kai Wizzy reacting to it with the forward throw, though. Gets hit by the bowling ball, so no ledge trap for him. Okay, good grab. Back throw for damage. Oh, and another up smash from Honk. He's been doing a really good job of just finding these up smashes. Okay, back here. Gets the command grab. Oh, he almost reflected the bowling ball, but... Oh, wow, gets hit by another one. Yeah, I don't think you can two-frame me Brawler's up B with a Mario dash attack. It'll just... Unless it trades weirdly, I'm not sure if that even works. Oop. Spot dodge back throw. That was he down quite a bit right now. Wait a sec, up throw. Oh, he fished for it! Yeah, wait, and then he got reversaled!
Same bets. What? No, this is seconds.
And Honk taking the first two games. I'm assuming we're... Yep, seeing a switch to PS2. Okay, locking in with Mario here. Here we go, game 3. Okay, getting the parry. Yeah, he just keeps going for down throws. Like down throw F tilts. I guess that's the only thing that's true. Oh! If Honk did a neutral get up, he definitely would have got hit by that F smash. Okay, finds the back here. Wait a sec. Up tilt. Or down tilt. Gets 3 up airs. Honk was just retreating to the corner. Okay, he gets the grab. It's going to be a back throw. This is a very good lead for Kai Wizzy. I think definitely the first lead that Honk's allowed all game. Or no, all set. Finding the command grab, though. He's not messing around. Okay, up tilt. That was he's trying to just find some kind of opening with these back airs. Not going to connect, though. Okay, he's at the ledge. Oh, my God, he is rolling. It's another grab, though. It's going to be an F. They're 150 on Honk right now. Finally, shields the up smash, finds one of his own, and that's first stock for Kai Wizzy. Okay, up B out of shield. You are not... Oh, another one. Okay. It's 25 on Honk right now. Another down throw. F tilt. Oh, he had that, but Honk fast fell right there, and it was able to hit Kai Wizzy in time with the nair. Okay, finds the back here off a whiff grab. We are back to just about even. Jab lock. Okay, that's an F smash. Down throw. Okay, 36%. Quick damage right there.
I walk up and I grab. No shit, that's what I do. It worked out.
Oh, he tried to F smash him, but Kai Wizzy was able to down tilt in time. I was looking for openers right here. 2 back airs to send Honk to... Oh my god, he had that roll read, but unfortunately misspaced it. Okay, punishing the tech roll with the down air. That's almost going to do it. Well, they're trying to find these down Bs. Wizzy gets another grab. They're on Honk back off stage and intercepts the landing with an up smash. Securing this lead just a little bit further. However, Honk he can even this up really quickly. You're just throwing these bowling balls. Wizzy not having any of it. He's just going high. Finds enough to throw more bowling balls being thrown off stage. That one almost hit. I don't know what percent bowling ball will start killing just raw at the ledge. But Wizzy's got to be careful either way, because that move does a lot of damage. Okay, Honk whipping an up smash. Wizzy seemed to have figured out how to deal with those. Okay, Honk back throw. Just trying to throw him off stage, get him with the bowling balls, rinse and repeat. Finally, though, punishing the landing there with an up smash, and we're back to even. Still, though, slight lead for Wizzy. Okay, gets the suplex. Gonna armor through a bit of that, too. Wait. Oh, that could have been very dangerous, but Wizzy breaking the combo with the nair. Wait. Up air. Okay, doesn't find a second one, though. 99% on Honk right now. Wizzy just throwing out these backers, trying to control the space. Honk almost gets an opening, though, but Wizzy able to break the combo again. Okay, good reaction with the grab. Gonna throw him off stage again. Oh, and reacting to the roll with an up smash, and Wizzy takes game 3. And looks like we're going to be seeing the switch to Joe Falco? Are we? Are we seeing Joe Falco enter the ring? R.O.B, okay. Respectable option, just going for the top tier. Now, I'm not sure how this matchup goes. Mario, R.O.B, you know, both of these guys, they're going to get comboed, but R.O.B, being a big body, will just get hit by everything Mario does. Huge difference from the last character, because Brawler is kind of weird to combo just because of his fall speed, but now it's like the training gloves are off, and look at this Wizzy, big opening for 46 immediately. These projectiles, though, might be a bit of a problem for Wizzy, though. That is something Brawler lacked. Yeah, throwing out the lasers. Wizzy just trying to keep his distance, finding a back throw, though. Back here. Honk is just struggling to recover right now. Wizzy is putting on a lot of pressure. Finds an up throw. Doesn't get the connection, though. Okay, good laser. And Honk is at 140 right now. He's looking for these up smashes. Again with the grabs. Wizzy's been finding just so many of them. Okay, getting hit by both projectiles right there. Oh my god. Roll behind a back throw. Classic kill confirm right there. Wizzy takes the first stock. However, this could be even really quick. Just one good edge guard from this R.O.B here. You're looking for the back ears. That definitely will kill Mario here. Okay, baiting out the up B. That was good. Alright, finding an opening, though. Not going to continue it, though. Good DI from Honk. Still, though, Honk has Wizzy at kill percent. The thing is just he's got to find an opening, and the side B is it. Just taking it out around 120. Wait. Oh, no, he almost had him. Wizzy, though. Wait, picking it back up, though. Still, he's dropping these combos. That's not... You don't want to let... R.O.B is not a character you want to keep alive. You want to just get rid of this guy as soon as possible. Still, though, he's at 100, though. That is kill percent. Up smash, not enough, though. Okay, sniping him with the fireball. Honk is at the ledge right now. Gonna shield that up smash. Try to find a nair, but... Wait, he gets a laser, though. He gets the sour spot back. Throwing at the gyro. Good pressure. Oh, he could have had him in some kind of loop if he kept going with the down tilts. Almost gets it back air. Honk is on the run right now. He's just trying to throw out projectiles, keep his stock as long as he can. Unfortunate SD, though. Rotor arms off stage. And this is a big lead for Wizzy. Just going to jab after the down tilt. Wait a sec. Wait a sec. We're keeping this going. A good fastball from Honk just to get away from... Let's get away from Mario. Don't have the laser. Yeah, just gonna up you out of shield right there. That's not a situation you want to be in. His R.O.B could just kill you if he gets an F smash. Back air, double back air, almost. Yeah, he's going for these spikes. I don't think he's landed any of them though, but doesn't matter. Closing it out with the F smash. Both players instantly are just like, yeah, running back to PS2. You know the vibes. I don't know if we're gonna be seeing a character switch from Honk though. That did look kind of rough. And here we are with Game 5. Switching it back to me, Brawler. All right. Oh, wait. Last second decision to ban stages and not run it back to PS2. The Smash Ultimate competitive scene is evolving. And we go Battlefield. Wait. Yep, Battlefield. Very beneficial stage for both characters. Squilliam, your club's dying.
You get 10 for Smash Bros. Smash Bros is a real pop.
Okay, big ladder combos coming out from Wizzy. 75, almost getting the forward air. Honk, though, just trying to keep him in the corner for as long as he can. Doesn't find an opening of his own. Wait. I keep saying that, but he always just finds another up tilt. He gets the F throw. Around even percent here. Both players just looking for some kind of opening. Oh, just trying to run up forward. I respect it. Oh, almost get the back air. Honk jumping out of it, though. Another back air. Great reaction from Wizzy. Wizzy, though, being put off stage. Getting sniped by the bowling ball. That's the first stock going to Honk. Immediately, Wizzy finds a back air, though. Yeah, he's not trying to challenge that uppy anymore. Oh, great command grab from Honk. Just knowing that it'll armor through Mario's back air. Taking the back air. Wizzy finding one, though. Putting Honk off stage. Just keeping him there with the flood still, though. He has enough to make it back. And a raw down air. That's just not going to do it at 160. Another one, though. That's going to do it. We're back to even. Ooh, tries to get the command grab, but Wizzy spacing well around it. Yeah, Honk's looking for these combo starters. F smash from Wizzy. Wow, that's just going to even the game up again. Okay, gets another down throw. He's too high in percent for the F tilts to connect. Okay, finally, though, he finds a up air, but doesn't really get much off of it. Still, though, Honk is at the ledge right now. Another F smash! Ooh, this is Honk's tournament stock here. Down to a flipper. Not enough to kill, though. Yeah, he's just using flood. He doesn't want to have anything to do with this Mii Brawler. Throwing the ball off stage. Gets to snipe, and this is Game 5, last stock. Okay, dash attack thrup, good combo from Honk. I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, charging up the F smash. Wow. Wait a sec. Oh, he swung. Honk, though, just using the flip kick to get around that. Okay, finding just a raw... Oh, that almost connected. Wait a sec. Oh, my God. Dropping the combo. Very tight. Very close set. Okay, gonna spot dodge the grab, back throw. Gonna get hit by the bowling ball. Wizzy has him on the platforms. Okay. Coming back down with a nair. Wizzy rolling past the bowling ball, gets a back throw. Almost, if that was such a great interception, but it doesn't get the sweet spot. Okay, you're just throwing in up smashes. If you're Wizzy, you gotta get this kill quick. Same thing for Honk, though. This is just like, this is game 5, last hit, everyone. Yeah, just gonna shield the thupper. Looking for these up smashes. Honk not budging, though, at the ledge. He's like, I'm just gonna wait for you to do something, and I'm gonna react to it. Yeah, just throwing the projectiles. No! Oh, what? I was so confused.
Dude, good fight.
What?
Did my screen mess you up? Oh my god.
Oh my god, Caleb with the jump scaring Wizzy for the back air, true combo.
Oh,
That was Caleb's final smash.
dude.
Didn't they ban healing during the build?
Dude,
He messed up the jab lock.
People
To
used
be
to,
fair.
people used to do that to each other like when they were wobbling in melee.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's deserved. They're wobbling.
Yeah, but then they banned it.
To be fair, I jab blocked.
You're DQ.
Well,
No, let's play. You'll beat my ass. Who cares?
If I go wolf,